Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. This month I decided crystals for my theme. And my pattern so far has been changing color themes weekly. But I made it till week 3 without changing my color palette. That's so surprising! Last weekend I went to Walmart and picked up a mixing palette and watercolor brushes by Royal and Longnickel. So far I've been using watercolor brush pens by Bujo, which you can fill up with water and are ideal for traveling, but I wanted to use some normal brushes. Well, initially when I went to Walmart to pick up watercolors back in February, they only had the all-purpose brush pens with synthetic brushes, and it was so difficult to work with them because they don't hold water at all. I'm so excited to try these out and if they work. So right out of the package, the big brush was shedding a lot, but the other brushes were fine and didn't have any issue shedding. Since I'm keeping the color palette the same, I'm using carmine and ultramarine to mix a shade of purple or purple pink. My thoughts on these brushes are good, though I only use the big and small pointy brushes. They hold water well, they don't lose their shape even after I finished using them. Also, the whole pack was about $5, which is decent for the quality and amount you're getting. I don't have any expensive brushes to compare them to, just my Ohuhu watercolor brush pens, but I like them enough to keep using them in the future. So only time will tell how good they hold up. You made it till the end of the video! If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!